Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today we're going to be knocking out an oil change and a Honda Rebel 250. It's our CMX250. Let me show you. All right, so first off, we got to drain the oil. Got the dipstick out. The oil drain for this is underneath here. All right, it is right there. All right, so we're going to drain all the oil out. All right, so first off, get into the drain plug. We're on the left side of the bike right here, 17 millimeter, right underneath here. All right, right up. If you look, right in, back in there, okay? You can see the wrench going on and off right there. That's where that is, 17 millimeter. All right, we're just gonna let that drain. All right, alternatively, guys, if you have an oil siphon, you can stick it down into here, and it does really good. You can work the hose down there, and it pulls it all the way down. It only leaves a drip if you pull a drain plug off. I've tested it. It's just fine. The way this plug is on the bike, it's kind of a pain to get back in. It's kind of just a tight little area to get it in there and turn it in. So siphon it out and feel just fine with that, and don't even worry about it. Siphon it all out. If you want to measure it when you take it out, you can measure it, but yeah, just you can siphon it or you can drain it. I prefer to siphon it out of these, but those are your two options. Okay, but if you are draining it from here, it is 18 foot-pounds to put that back on. It's kind of a pain to get in there. You can get in straight through here to get your torque wrench on it. It's very low, 18 foot-pounds. Use a new crush washer, so when you tighten it back on, it seals up really good. So let's go put oil in it. All right, so putting oil back in right here. It's 1.6 quarts. It recommends 10W30. Use whatever oil you like. All right, so with 1.6 quarts in, which is about 1,516 cc's if you want to use cc's or milliliters, I'm going to put the dipstick back in. We're going to start it up, run it for a little bit, and then I'm just going to pull it out and check it. And when you check it, you don't thread it all the way in. When you're checking it, you just dip it in like that and take it out to check it. That's how you check it. All right, so let me fire it up. Let all the oil circulate through the engine. We'll let it sit for a little bit, and then we'll check it. All right, so let oil settle back down for a minute, and then we'll check it. All right, oil looks good. We're good to go. That's how you do it. All right, guys, and that's it for the oil change. It's pretty simple, straightforward. There's no filter on these things, so make sure you just drain the oil, use good oil, and you got to change it a little more frequently because there's no filter. So it's easy enough to change. I would use a siphon if you have a siphon. It's real easy. Warm it up, stick the tube down in the dipstick hole, suck it all out, add your new oil in. It'll take you no time at all. But if you don't have one of those, you can drain it by the drain bolt. It's just easier with the siphon. So anyway, guys, hopefully this helps you out. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.